Okay, so Rusty, if you had told me that we would have President Trump and there would be the kind of policies that he brought in for 2016, I would think oil would be at $80. Oil, the demand keeps being lowered. OPEC cuts demand forecast. Obviously, we can't keep the price up. Today was an aberration. Where can oil go?
Well, if OPEC does what they say they're going to do, and we end up with a weaker economy like a lot of folks are afraid of because of the tariffs, then we could very well end up being at $50. I don't think we're going to $50, but if we do, it's going to affect the amount of drilling we're doing. At $60, we're still, most producers are still profitable, particularly those that are in the Permian. So at $60, we're okay. $50, we're not okay.
All right, so explain to me whether the discipline that we saw, which meant that we didn't just drill, baby, drill, is still in place versus what the president wants, because the president's key to his anti-inflation program is much lower oil price.
Well, he's got much lower oil prices. I don't think this is exactly the way he planned on getting there. But the situation is you cannot have drill, baby, drill and have that much more production coming out of the ground, and at the same time have lower oil prices. It doesn't make any sense. So I think we're going to talk after a while about Chris Wright, and he's got a pretty hard job on his hands because he's got to figure out exactly how to do that. I think it's going to be a tough job.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.